In the kinetic theory of gases, we have the next topic, that is pressure exerted due to ideal gas. Let us consider a cubical container of the side L. Let it contain n number of gas moles, gas molecule. Small m is mass of one gas molecule. So total mass of the gas molecule, that is m into n. Capital M equal to m into n. Let we consider that V1, V2, V3 up to Vn is velocity of gas molecule. Now, the first molecule V1, it has velocity along x-axis, that is V1x. Along y-axis, it is 1Vy. Along z-axis, it is 1Vz. So the velocity V can be divided into three parts along x-axis, V1x, V1y and V1z. Similarly, second molecule has velocity V2x, V2y, V2z. Third molecule has the velocity V3x, V3y, V3z, and the last n molecule has a velocity Vnx, Vny and Vnz. So now the kinetic energy is equal, so we can write here V1 square is equal to V square 1x plus V square 1y plus V square 1z. For the second molecule, we can write V2 square, that is V square 2x plus V square 2y plus V square 2z. For the last molecule, we can write Vn square, V square nx plus V square ny plus V square into nz. Now, the gas molecule start to move from this side with momentum mv1x. Now, this molecule goes and strike to this side of the container, and it goes back with the momentum minus mv1x and come to this side of the container. So when this molecule collide with this side of the container and come back to the same side, then it cover the distance L and then L. It is 2L. So now we can write that change in momentum that is mv1x minus mv1x. So it is 2mv1x. So time taken between the successive collision, that is distance upon velocity, 2L upon v1x. Total distance is 2L. Now, force exerted by gas molecule so we can write F1x is equal to, according to Newton's second law of motion, change in momentum upon time taken. So change in momentum is 2mv1x. Time taken is 2L upon v1x. It will be cancelled, so it will be m by L. This is v square 1x. Similarly, we can calculate for the second volume. It will be m by L V square into 2x. For the third molecule, it will be m by L V square into 3x. And for the last molecule, it will be m by L into V square into nx. Now the total force exerted by the molecules along x-axis. Now the total force Fx is a sum of force of the first molecule, second molecule and the last molecule along x-axis. So F1x m by L V square 1x, F2x this is m by L V square into 2x, and in the last this is m by L V square into nx. Now we can take out m by L common. This is V square 1x, this is V square into nx. Now pressure exerted along x-axis, that is pressure, force upon area that is side into side, that is L square. We can put the value of f of x, this is 1 by L square, this is m by L into V square 1x, in the last V square nx. Px, this is m by L cube, this is V square 1x, in the last this is V square nx. Now the pressure exerted along y-axis, this is we can write m by L cube, V square 1y, and it is V square ny. Pressure exerted along z-axis, this is m by L cube into V square 1s, V square into nz. Now the average pressure, average means mean of the pressure. Now average pressure P bar, mean of these three, so it is 1 by 3, Px plus Py plus Pz. So this is P bar 1 by 3, this is Px. We can write here m by L cube V square 1x up to V square nx. Value of Py m by L cube, this is V square 1y up to the last V square ny, plus value of Pz m by L cube, this is V square 1z up to the last V square nz. Now we can take out m by L cube common, this is volume m by V, V square 1x, V square 1y, V square 1z, this is equal to V1 square. V square 2x, V square 2y plus V square 2z, this is equal to V2 square. And V square nx, V square ny, V square nz, this is equal to Vn square, which we have written in the starting. Multiply and divide by the n into m. In the starting we have written total mass m by V. We can suppose this is equal to V square RMS, 1 by 3 also. Mass by volume is density, this is rho V square RMS. This is a relation for the pressure exerted by ideal gas molecule. So we can write here V square RMS, this is equal to V1 square up to Vn square by n, or Vrms, this is equal to under root V1 square plus up to Vn square divided by n.